Okay, so in this video lesson we're going to talk about doing a 3D sum, and that's just a quick way of summing across multiple sheets in an easier way than referencing them individually. So to show you what I mean, let's just go to this example where we had sales figures for each quarter, and those were across several different sheets. And let's say we want to get a grand total for the year. What we could do is just write out a regular sum formula and then reference each sheet individually. And depending on how many sheets you have, that might take a while. And there you go. But another way to do this, and a quicker way if you have a lot of sheets, is to use a 3D sum. So what that means is you're summing a range, and that's your 2 dimensions, and then across multiple sheets, so that's your 3rd dimension. So to do that, just type out your regular sum, and now select a cell in the first sheet, and then go down to your sheets and hold hold Shift and select the last sheet you want to sum. So that's going to select all your sheets together. And now hold Shift and complete your range selection. And end the brackets and press Enter. And what you can see that that's done is it's referenced your quarter 1 sheet to your quarter 4 sheet, and then taken the range C3 to C6 in all those sheets and summed them up.